Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur, and we are going to get into this nail video right away. Okay gang, so this video is going to be a little bit different. We're not doing a full polygel set, we're doing a polygel fill-in. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking my drill and I'm kind of drilling closer to my cuticle to kind of get those parts of the nail that kind of were lifting up and stuff like that. Y'all, I am pleased to announce that this set really legitimately lasted me 2 weeks before I'm doing this fill-in. I'm so hyped. We a nail tech, frugal flower sis. Everything gotta be affordable out here. I told y'all. Okay, so now of course we're gonna go in with the base gel and we're gonna put that all over the areas that no longer have any gel or nail things on them. So that's what we're doing right now. And I am putting it all over the nail because I believe that I'm gonna cover the whole nail with just a thin line of the gel, and I just want to make sure it covers. So yeah, I didn't do a video showing you guys the initial set for some reason because I knew I was going to use the white polygel, and I had tried to use it like several times before and it gave me issues. So yeah, so on the tip it's white, and then I covered it with the light pink, which you see me going back in for the filling now. So I'm just covering that again with the light pink, and then I go in and take some glitter and I'm just adding that just as an ombre over that glitter so that it, you know, looks good. Okay, so it's pretty easy, pretty standard. This brush that I'm using came from one of the Kiss acrylic sets, so I'm just kind of like dabbing it on there. I didn't cure it, so it's still really sticky, so the glitter, you know, it's taking a little while because it's sticking to the brush. But you just want to take your time with this so that it doesn't go all over the place, and like you actually have a tip of the nail that's clear, so it actually gives you that glitter ombre effect. Excuse my phone in a way, I'm on FaceTime with my best friend. Okay, so now after I've cured it with the glitter, I'm just going to go ahead and shape the nails with my nail file. And I'm doing that before I put the final layer on top of the nails. So that's what I'm doing right now. You see me just filing away. You know I like my nails ready to gouge anybody's eyes out, nice and sharp. So this part of it really does take some time if you want to have it shaped the way you want it to, you know? And I've noticed, like with doing my nails, one of the biggest things about doing your nails is making sure the shape is right. Okay, so now I'm going in with the transparent clear gel, and this is just going right over as kind of like my top coat or my top layer, or like technically this is like an encapsulated glitter kind of thing, because you want to make sure that there's something above the glitter that's a smooth surface so that you don't just feel like little pieces of glitter on your nail, because that's weird. Okay, so after it's all cured and all that good, we're gonna go in with our top gel and put it all over the top of our nail. Excuse all that walking around, y'all. People are just moving in and about. It's annoying me actually, but whatever. So yeah, so I'm just putting that top gel on my nails. You guys have seen me do my polygel before, so the process is always the same, but I really wanted you guys to see how I achieved this glitter look since I didn't do the full set for you guys. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to join the flower gang. Everything here is about affordable nails, hair, beauty, fashion, all that good, okay? Mwah. See you guys in my next video. Signing out.